Hi guys, and welcome back to Simply Forex, the channel dedicated to you, the trader. We want you to be successful in the markets. So guys, I'm going to give you some gold every day. I'm going to let you know which currency pairs I'm looking to trade and which direction. And I'm also going to let you know which news that you must be aware of. If you like these vids, then please subscribe to the channel and like and share. So let's take a look at the chart and what I'm potentially going to trade today.
Good morning, viewers. Hope you're well. It is Wednesday, the 16th of February. And as usual, first of all, we're going to review yesterday's trades or trade. Okay, so yesterday was Tuesday. And if you remember back to my morning analysis, guys, we had this trade that we were looking at, the pound against the Canadian dollar. Yeah, we were looking at this bearish candle that formed. It's actually a bearish candlestick pattern, and it reacted from, these highs, this area of resistance here. We got a reaction, so I thought we could take price potentially down to this blue line. Okay, but let's take a look at H1 to see what actually happened. So guys, it was a really interesting trade, this one. So first of all, price retraced, okay, and we did get this bearish candle form. Yeah, we could have been aggressive and traded on this, but I like to trade from my grey zones. So what I actually did was wait for the next candle, this candle to form. Okay, so again, a very bearish candle. I thought we could take price back down to these lows. Okay, so that's what happened. What I managed to do was get in at roughly here, got a small retrace. I put my stop above here and managed to get out at 213, if I remember rightly. These last lows here. Okay, so the risk to reward was a little bit more than 1:1. All right, so that was a good trade. As always, guys, I only closed 80% here and left 20% to run. Okay, but price zoomed back up, and as I mentioned, I had my stop here, so my 20% of my trade was stopped out. Okay, no problem. We closed 80% of the trade already, so we were still in profit. Okay, but then, as you can see, we had an opportunity to get back into this trade again. So this candle here, this large wick, had a huge reaction at our second grey zone. Although it wasn't a red candle, a bearish candle, this wick gave me the confidence to enter this trade again short. Okay, so I got in, roughly at the close here and put my stop above here. And then again, I took price back down to these lows. Okay, all right, so another good trade, So I've taken this down, I've closed 80% of the trade at this low, so I currently still have 20% running, okay? And for that 20%, my target, is hopefully, it can come down to this blue line. If it doesn't and I get stopped out, it's okay because I've already closed 80% of the trade. I've taken a large amount of profit. All right, guys. So quite an interesting trade from yesterday. We had two opportunities to get into it. So you should have had a very profitable day if you follow my strategy. All right. Okay, let's take a look at the trades for today. So we've got two trade ideas for today, for Wednesday, the 16th of February. We're looking at, first of all, we're looking at this trade, the pound against the Australian dollar. This is the day chart. As you can see, price structure has changed. Once this low was broken and we created a new low, and then we had this last high followed by a lower high. Okay, so this tells me the structure is now in a downwards trend. Okay, plus we had this very bearish candlestick pattern form, and price had broken this diagonal support. It broke it here. Okay, so there are lots of reasons to short this market. So I think we can take price down to this blue line here. Okay, so yeah, let's look at H1 for execution. Quite a large grey zone, guys, because the chart is a little bit choppy, a little bit messy. But what we want to see is price to retrace into this grey zone somewhere. Then we want to see a bearish candlestick pattern. And then first of all, we can take price back down to this low, which corresponds with this low as well. All right, and then we can close 80% of our trade here. And then we can leave 20% of the trade to run, and we can take it back down to our blue daily target. All right, guys, so yeah, pound against the Aussie dollar, we're looking to short this market. The next trade we're looking at is this. This is the Aussie dollar against the Japanese yen. So as you can see, we had this bullish candle form yesterday. If we look at this area here, okay, yeah, so this was, price had come down, broke it, acted as resistance, come down, tested it again. There was a little bit of a reaction there, and then price eventually broke this zone. And then when it comes down back to the zone, it now becomes an area of resistance. Okay, and we've got this bearish candle form yesterday, so I think we can take price up to this blue line around 83.08. Okay, let's look at H1 for execution. Again, the charts are a little bit messy, which makes it quite a big grey zone. But what we want to see is price retrace into this grey zone somewhere. We want to see a bullish candlestick pattern. First of all, we can take price back up to these highs here if we get a risk to reward of 1:1. If not, leave the whole trade open and then aim for this target, our blue daily target here. All right, guys. So yeah, Aussie dollar against the Japanese yen, we are looking to long. We're looking to buy this market. Okay, so that's the two trade ideas for today. Let's take a look at the news. Before I start the news, guys, if you're enjoying the video, then please smash the like button. Yeah, we'll try and get as many likes as we can. Also, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button, and then that way you'll receive this morning analysis every single day, Monday to Friday. Okay, so go ahead and do that, guys. Right, the news. So first piece of news, as you can see, of importance is at 7 o'clock coming out of the UK. We have some CPI data, so inflation data. Okay, so that can move any pound pair. We've got quite a busy day today, guys. 1:30, we've got a lot of data coming out. So we have retail sales coming out of the US at 1:30. We've got core retail sales and retail sales. So these two could move any US dollar pair. At the same time, we've also got the coming out of Canada, we've got some CPI. So again, some inflation data, another 3-star rating. So that could affect any Canadian dollar pair. We carry on down, you will also see 3:30, we have another 3-star rating out of the US. We have crude oil inventories, all right? But this can also affect the Canadian dollar because it's highly correlated with oil. Always bear that in mind. And then finally, the last piece of news we're looking at, guys, is this. 7 o'clock GMT out of the US. We've got some meeting minutes from the Fed. All right, guys, so yeah, quite a busy news day. Guys, like I say, if you've enjoyed the vid, please press that like button. It'll be greatly appreciated. And subscribe and share the vid. All right, I hope you have a wonderful, amazing, fantastic trading day. And I will see you tomorrow.